Okay, so hi guys. Today our parents are sleeping because, as you can see, they are. So, yeah.
Aurora, what are you up to now? Are you updating?
Yeah.
Okay, continue. You can update.
Okay,
today.
and our sisters were gonna sneak out, but since since Abby's awake, our other mommy, she's gonna be angry, and yeah. So we're gonna get ourselves organized because it's a big, huge mess over here.
It still has the blizzard.
And it's still a blizzard.
So, now that we got... your feet is on my butthole.
That was sorry, Mommy. Anyways, so Mommy's gonna take 4 girls.
Why am I taking them?
Because we need more space, woman. Okay, so we are needing more space by the second because Mommy's taking some of the girls.
Only 4, you said.
Yeah, some means 4, Mom. Are you dumb?
Some means 2, girl.
Oh, anyways.
Here's
Winter, and then, well, you'll take Lily.
Yeah, I'll take Lily just because these girls are 6.
Alright.
Well, everyone's situated, right?
You guys need blankets, right? Here you go. And then we're blanketless, but we're fine.
Yeah, you guys probably got one. None of you
don't.
Do you want to come with Mommy, Lucia?
Me.
Okay, come here.
Okay. Yes. We have lots of space. Here's Carter's outfits. I'll put them up here.
You could hang them up there, Lily. Are you rocking the baby? Here, let me put her. So then you.
Alright, so other Mommy's hanging up Carter's house. So we have it more organized. So if you might see her big bum in the way.
Hey, that's not nice.
Yeah, it is.
No, it isn't. She said she'll see your big bum.
Alright, so anyway.
Our foot kind of fell down a little bit for a second. I fixed it. Look at Malia's rocking Carter. My sister's rocking Carter.
With Lucille.
With my little Lucille. My Lucille. This. Okay, get back to the video. Lily, you're blocking our camera view.
I know I am.
Okay, now guys, Lily or Aurora is going to entertain you.
Alright, so I'm going to do a handstand. Are you ready? Watch. I'm going... the camera fell. I'm going to do a handstand, and you're like, Aurora, that's inappropriate. So,
Aurora, that's inappropriate. Lily, will you put her clothes back on?
Alright, so Mommy said that was inappropriate, so I can't do my handstand.
I'm trying to hang up the bag. Okay. Now we're all situated.
Lily,
why are you out of the tent? You should be in it.
Sorry, Mom.
Everyone should be in it.
So, I'm putting my clothes back on because that was inappropriate.
I need you to take 2 of them at least. I can only hang
Alright, so I'm going to entertain you because Mommy banned her from the thing. So Aurora has to sit in timeout. I hate timeout.
Just lay down.
Alright, so me and my sissy are going to entertain you. So my sissy wants to put her...
Can you fix your diaper, Winter, or else you're going to go in timeout too?
Alright, sorry, Mom. Mommy, my diaper's...
Here, let me help you. So then you won't be banned from the video. You'll have to sit in timeout like your sister.
Because I'm not that kind of bad person. Hey!
Hey, it's my toy, sister.
Here you go.
She wants her baby. Well, that's one baby out. Okay, there you go, Winter. Now you won't be Now you won't be in timeout.
Okay.
Okay, so I need you to take one more. And that'll be her, and then I'm good. I can only handle one now because this one's okay. Because this one's the only one that listens to me. Over here. Are you sure?
Alright. So, I'm just brushing.
Okay, guys, well, we're not going to end it, and we're not going to we're not going to end it yet because this is not the perfect ending time.
So Winter's just brushing her hair right now. And yeah,
here's the girls' blankets. You can just put that on
yay, binkies. Okay, so we're just in bed. We're getting ready for bed.
I feel like Carter's almost gone.
The snowstorm's all over. Yeah.
Still another day.
No, but the snowstorm's over because I saw it on the weather news. They said it was over. And
no, it didn't. They said there was going to be a tornado, girl. There's going to be a snow tornado, so guys, we're going to please wish us good luck, but this is not actual real. This is actually fake. We're just making everything up. Let me put up her hair for you. Put her hair up. Where's the pony? Oh. I know I moved it. Who cares,
Sissy.
Right? What?
Sissy.
QVC.
Mommy, I have to go potty.
Can you help her? Lily, can you help her?
Mommy, I don't have to go potty, but I have to take a... Ow!
Put her in timeout.
You need to go back into timeout.
Until you get your clothes back on.
Fine. Never gonna have fun.
No, you're gonna get blocked. No, seriously.
You're gonna get blocked off the camera and you're gonna get a smack across the face.
Okay, when your ears are down.
Thank you. I can help.
Are you thirsty, Winter?
Yeah.
I got some water.
Mommy, I was showing my whole camera and my bum. I like.
If you did, you would have been in big trouble, but you didn't.
Payback is... Help! Help!
You know what, Lily? Let me help her. Let me do it. I'm good with dressing videos. I've been doing this for 2 years now. This is my second year doing this. Malia broke her foot. I mean, not foot. Grammar. I need correct my grammar. I need someone to help me correct my grammar.
I will, Mommy. You're a stinky poo-poo head.
Get back in timeout when you get your clothes back on.
Oh, fine. I'm sorry.
Well, you have to come here.
But I'm getting my clothes on.
When you're done, come
Get
here.
it right.
What'd you say?
Get it right.
You're definitely coming here. Get over here.
I'm getting my clothes on. Why can't a lady just get her clothes on and have peace in her life? Because once you're dead, then...
Get over here. Now. You, Missy, are grounded, so you're staying by me this whole time. No more interview. You heard me.
Alright, so Sissy got banned.
So you're going to get back up here, but you're not in timeout. You're staying up there.
Okay, so guys, I can't do the interview anymore, but I still am, but I'm just not going to be in it. So, yeah. Hey guys.
I can still see you. Get over here. You're staying up there now. Until this whole thing is over.
Sissy! Aurora!
What?
What do you want from me? I've already quit the game timeout for you because I want to see everybody having a timeout. Hey, don't kick me.
It's coffee You're definitely in time.
It's coffee time.
Is what time? Cookie time? Cookie.
Alright, so Sissy up here is having timeout because he's been being bad. And
guys, we're probably gonna have to end it. It's like nighttime for 10, and we're gonna.
And I'm vlogging next
We're gonna go to sleep now. So
no, I want to say bye,
guys. Bye, guys.